Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through playing YouTube videos in the background so you can listen to music or podcasts with your screen off, completely for free. This process is straightforward, so let's jump right into it. The most reliable way to bypass the restriction without installing sketchy apps is to use your mobile browser instead of the YouTube app. Open your preferred browser, like Google Chrome on Android or Safari on iPhone, go to youtube.com and search for the video you want to play. Once the video loads, do not play it yet. Tap the three dots on Android or the AA icon on iPhone in the address bar and select Request Desktop Site. The page will reload to look like the computer version. Go ahead and play your video now. Here is the trick. When you leave the browser, the music will stop initially. We just need to manually restart it. Go back to your home screen or turn off your phone screen. The audio will cut out. This is normal. Swipe down from the top of your screen to open your notification shade on Android or Control Center on iPhone. You will see a small media player with the name of your video. Simply hit the play button in that small player and the audio will resume in the background while you use other apps or lock your phone. If the Chrome or Safari method feels too glitchy, there's an even easier alternative using the Brave browser. Download the Brave browser from your App Store or Play Store, open the browser settings, and look for a specific toggle called Background Play or Background Video Playback. Enable this setting. Now when you watch YouTube inside Brave, it will automatically keep playing when you exit the app. No tricks required. And that's it. You can now enjoy your favorite playlists without burning through your battery on a lit screen. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and take care.